Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons progress through the ABRSM Grade 2 Discovery Music Theory workbook, we now move on to Chapter 8, where we look at the topic of triads. And so now we look at the intervals of a first, a third and a fifth to build a chord on the tonic note of all of the scales that we've learned so far. The full lesson is available on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and you'll find the links to that lesson in the cards and in the description box. After this short little video, you can see sample examples of this lesson to show you, just as I help you to understand every single exercise and work with you step by step. Once you feel that you are ready to take the ABRSM Grade 2 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam, and also how to make the very best use of the time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either ebook or paperback format, and you can find the links to that in the cards and in the description box. All the information that you require can also be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. The tonic triad is built on the tonic. It's built on the first degree of the scale. And so if we look at the lowest note, that will give us our key. The tonic will give us our key. And so here we have the first, the third and the fifth degree of the scale. The first degree is our tonic. The triad is built upon that, and that tonic will give us our key. So we can see here in the treble clef, this is note A, and so we're in an A key. We just need to be careful because is it major or is it minor? The triad will tell us. We know that A major should have a key signature of F sharps, C sharps and G sharps. There is no C sharp here, and so that tells us we're in the minor. So let's just have a look at exercise 2. We're asked to complete the tonic triad in D minor. So we need to make sure that we've got all of the information to hand. D minor is related to F major, which has a key signature of B flats. Of course, there's the raised seventh in a minor key, but we're only going up to note 5, so we don't need to concern ourselves with that in this particular exercise. And so the most important thing, our tonic is D, and so we don't add a note below if this is D. So good boys deserve, this is the D, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. We have D, F, A. B flat would be the key signature if we were asked to add that, or we would need to add it as an accidental if we were to write a note B. However, the key signature is not active in any of these notes, so there's no need to write an accidental. So C major has a key signature of nothing. That's job done. D major has a key signature of F sharps and C sharps, so we have an F here. So this is not correct until we've added the sharp. D minor, however, does not have F sharps. It's got B flats, but we've not written a B. And so you can see the difference between the major and the minor is that middle of the triad. E flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats and A flats. So we have the B flat and of course E flats as well for the tonic to be E flat. E minor is related to G major, F sharps. We've not written a note F, so we don't have to worry about that.